SSD replacement, and deep cleaning on Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 315 IU6 laptop. Thank you, Sir Andre, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. SSD replacement and deep cleaning are highly beneficial for improving a computer's speed, efficiency, and longevity. Upgrading to an SSD significantly enhances system performance by reducing boot times, improving application loading, and enabling smoother multitasking. Unlike traditional HDDs, SSDs have no moving parts, making them more durable, energy efficient, and less prone to failure, ensuring long-term reliability. Deep cleaning is equally important, as dust buildup inside the system can block airflow, cause overheating, and lead to reduced performance or hardware damage. By thoroughly cleaning cooling fans, heat sinks, and vents, deep cleaning helps maintain optimal cooling efficiency, prevents unexpected shutdowns, and extends the lifespan of critical components. At PTT IT Solutions, we take immense pride in offering precise and reliable laptop repair services. Our skilled technicians use advanced tools and methods to ensure that every repair is handled with the utmost care. SSD replacement and deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your SSD replacement deep cleaning too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.